So you have seen a lot of people who are earning through their laptop, paying their odd fees, rent, and everything. And they are all doing this by earning online. But before you open your YouTube and start searching for the videos like how to make money online, you really need to hear out these points. As you are already very motivated to try to make money online, and the people you will see on internet, they will make it look very easy. Whenever you try to search on how to make money online, you will always see a video that says, I tried to make money in 30 days, or I tried to make money from Pinterest in 30 days. Here are the results. I tried print on demand, and within 1 month, I made this much amount. And you may wonder, wow, it's so easy. They are making money in 30 to 40 days. And many legends are doing it in 1 week and overnight. But the harsh truth is they are making these things look easy just to get views and attention. And the reality of making money online is completely different. The people who are trying to make these kind of videos, they have only one goal to get views on their videos and promote any kind of product. That's it. The internet is filled with fake gurus right now. You need to stay away from the people who are doing dropshipping today, then affiliate marketing tomorrow, then after that they are doing print on demand, then they are doing Pinterest affiliate marketing, and then they are selling digital product. These type of people are just wasting your time. You will not get any value from these videos. You will just get a fake hype that, oh, it is so easy, I can also do it. And when you will start doing these things, you will realize that the video made it so easy and the reality is completely different. So the first thing you need to do is silence the noise of fake people who are just trying to get your views and attention and trying to sell your course. And the next thing you want to do is start searching and analyzing things on how will you actually make money online. Write all the methods you learn from a video, go deep on it, see what interests you, look can you even do it or not, do you have all resources to do it like money, laptop, etc. Don't directly jump into something just because a YouTuber influencer says that it make a lot of money. That would be a worst mistake you will ever do. So use your own mind, your own research, your own analysis before you even try to do something. And why I am telling you this very confidently, because I have already wasted my time, and because of that I have learned numerous of things. I have already tried every possible business model and I have already collected tons of information in my head. That's why I am recommending you. And once you find what you want to do, start consuming content around it. Learn completely how to do it. Make notes, take all the detail of it. And most importantly, start taking action upon it. I know learning will feel productive, but taking action is what will give you progress. Don't just learn things, apply them one by one. And most importantly, stay dedicated for at least 3 months. Why 3 months? Because in first month you will connect all the information and implementing few of them. And from second month you will go all in the practical work and you will start taking action heavily. And from third month you will start seeing the potential of that side hustle or business model, whatever you are doing. I mean, in 3 months, you will get a complete picture of that business model or side hustle, and you will get a clarity on do you have to do it or not. You don't need to stick to one. If you don't like it, you can change. But after you give it your whole effort, it's not like you learn dropshipping today, then after 1 week, you want to sell digital product, then other week you want to do affiliate marketing. No, learn one thing, take complete knowledge of it, do it for 3 months, and then take decision. In this initial phase, you will face a lot of hurdles, but this is the actual process of making money online. And nobody talks about it on internet because it don't get them views. And the next point is you will not see result overnight. If you want to make money in 1 to 3 weeks and you don't have any patience, then believe me, online money is not for you. Every side hustle, every business model, whatever you do will at least take you some time. And realistically, no one can actually tell you how much time it will actually take to do it. And if anybody is claiming that you will start earning 10K a month, 22 days, or even in 1 month, then they are completely lying to you or they are trying to sell you a course. So stay away. Because the time taken will always depend upon the strategy you take to do that side hustle or business and how much time you spend on doing that side hustle. And this is the reason why no one can actually predict how much time it will take to do anything successfully. If you ask average, the average is at least 6 months. I know you may be thinking that, oh, it's too much. I cannot wait for that long. Or maybe you will start doubting yourself that is the online money making process actually for me or not? Can I really do it? Then let me tell you that people you are seeing earning online today, they have spent their years of trial and errors. None of them has earned money in 1 to 2 months. And you know it, right? And this is the very realistic process where you do your work, you spend your time, you still don't see results, you still keep working. Again, you will not see any result. You will face hurdles, will still keep working, and after that, you may see some results. And when you keep doing this, your hard work will compound and eventually you will start seeing some result. And it's not your mistake to expect results fast. The influencers and YouTubers make it so easy. They have filled in your mind that you can earn easily in 1 to 2 months. So it's not your problem. It's just that you have given a wrong information. So it's now your work to clean it up and open your eyes for the reality. And the next point I want to talk about is that don't waste money on courses until and unless you really need them. And majority of the time, every information you need is already present on internet. You just need to keep searching for it. Last and very important, don't share your plan to anyone. Don't share a plan that you are trying to make money online. Every single person around you will demotivate you, they will doubt you because they don't know what you're doing. So, if you really want to do something, stop sharing your plans. I know this is a very basic point, but you know what? In this time phase when you're trying to make money online, it is true that you need hard work. But the most important thing you need is having faith in yourself, believing that you can actually do it. And in this time phase, if you share your thoughts to anyone, if they don't know what you're doing, they will just demotivate you by saying that these things are waste of time. Online money does not work. So it is very important for you to have faith in yourself that you can do it and have faith in God that He is already supporting you. You are already supported by God. You don't need anyone's validation. My purpose to make this channel was to share the realities and real strategies of what it actually takes to make money online. So I keep making videos about side hustles and business models so that you can get clarity and move forward without any doubt. And share your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear. And I will see you guys in the next one.